Go!
Go!
Go! Get out there!
They're all going on the right side, right side, right side! Oh! Crossing! Did they get in? Did they get in?
Yeah, man, they got in like 30 guys in there.
What the hell?
Get your angle. Work them out of there. Get your team together.
I don't know if we can do that in 15 minutes.
Jim! There were like 30 of them on the right side. Yeah, they all ran. Are they all in there still? Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Let's go in this way.
Oh,
Push up. We got everybody got to move up.
we can't just stay here, guys.
Get straight in. I'm moving it over. We gotta move straight up.
Yeah. I don't have no range with this thing.
I would make the run, but I'm here. There's some fucking
Move over there.
You know what?
I got cover if you need it.
What about this?
I'm gonna side. I'm gonna side here.
All right.
Top window on the boat!
Yeah, I see him.
On the boat!
Hey, come here.
Top window!
All right. Progress. One person at a time. I don't have range. Hey, got him.
Top left window. Top left window. Grenade. Get my position.
Empty, reloading. Working.
Moving!
They're shooting through this door.
They're shooting everywhere now. They have range.
We can't go that way because they'll just shoot us straight from the windows immediately.
Nice.
I'm gonna try and get up to the back here.
There's a guy right in front of that wave, you just don't see him.
Oh shit.
He keeps sticking his gun out.
Who's in front of the treasure chest? Is that just a phone or something up there?
It looks just like a hat sitting there.
Okay. Continue that.
Move in, move in.
Okay, I'm crossing. Your asses are mine! Yeah! I know.
Watch the window!
I got bang killed.
You didn't get anyone. We all ran. keeping our heads down up top.
Crossing! Their whole team is in that boat. Yeah. So my grenade got nobody. My grenade didn't get anybody.
Did you get it in there?
Yeah, straight to the window. Oh, what is this? Get this off my sling.
Pretty good. Why don't you see the doorway on the boat? Yeah. Chris keeps popping his head off. Why don't you take his head off? Oh, he gets door? He's right there.
Behind you! Well, shit! Really? Oh, thank you. Well, hey, now that they moved, maybe we should move. We got smoke up. Let's go. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Fuck it. Too late! I'm already moving. I'm coming.
Watch your head.
Yeah, good call. I'm gonna shoot over you, alright? Oh, what the? I'm gonna assume that was a ricochet. Because there's no one over there.
It should be on a t-shirt.
Just over my grenade. Reloading. Nice! Alright, let's use this. Gun hit! Fuck! I gotta get in close. My gun's hit! Bro, this side.
I can't see shit.
Whoa. You got right over there.
Oh, shit, it's working.
I gotta get close now. Shit.
Are you not, your guns
Guns.
out? Here.
Oh.
I'm out.
Here.
No, take that.
Oh, alright. I'll see you in a minute. Alright. Yeah, I got you. Oh! What do I got?
That's where he got you from.
I got one person.
That count as my kill?
I guess. There you go.
Anybody got any tape on them?
We're getting shut out. Well, we just did that.
Better hurry, we don't have much time left.
We got like 3 minutes or something.
Hey, come here.
Hey, Jim. You got guys right in the top window on the left-hand side of the boat.
On the right side of the boat, there's a little small amount of guys. If you want, if we do it, all the way down.
Oh, jeez. Hey, they're going into the trees.
Hey guys, just stay on the blacktop.
I don't know why.
What I was told, and that's Mooch still up there?
Yeah.
All right, good. All right, Mike.
There's like no one on this side.
Ice.
Well, why don't we go?
Well,
put suppressor fire down this whole right side. And then what we can do is escape and go. We can put, all right, come on, let's go. Let's go.
Well, improvise! Shit, not this. Not a good time for this.
Clear on the right.
Mike, be a dear and grab that magazine for me.
Yeah.
Thank you. I already used it! Ah! Damn it.
It's all on camera. They don't take the picture.
Get that mag?
Yeah, it's in your dump pouch.
Oh, thank you.
Your other dump pouch.
Yeah, my other dump pouch. Got it. Whatever, game's over anyway. Go for it, there's like 30 seconds. Game's over.
Yes.
Yeah, pretty much.
Fire down on that boat.
Hey, RB.
Yeah.
On up. We gotta hit the right side again.
All right. Let's go.
Let's go. We got a minute.
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey, remember, one you can only back kill one for 3 seconds.
Go! 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 No! Oh, where'd that even come from?
You're fine, you're fine, fine. No, you're not here. You got from inside.
Oh, okay, that works.
Hey, Dalen, you're good. You shot us from in here.
Oh, we did?
Yeah. Are you guys ready? I'm gonna lead the charge. Ready? Everybody behind me.
3, 2, 1, go, go! Now, wait a minute. I know that Daytona hit the deck.
Yeah. That's exciting.
Booty test!
Booty test, right. Booty sweat.
Everybody over here!
You're Jack?
Yeah.
I saw you on YouTube.
Oh.